Okay, guys, we're gonna get this party started. The base of our lemon pepper wet sauce is gonna be half a stick of butter. Okay, that's half a stick of some good old butter. We're just gonna let that melt down. Oof, look at that. We're just gonna let that melt down, y'all. Nice and cute. Take about 2 minutes or so for the butter to melt down. Give it a little chance. Whisk it around. And just let that melt on down. We have arrived, honey. The vegan butter has been melted on down. Look at that. And we're just going to pour it into another dish so that we can mix everything else together beautifully. Moving right along, y'all. We have our grater. We have our lemon. And it's about to go down, okay? We're grabbing all of the lemon zest. All of it. Don't be afraid now. This is what's going to really, really give you that lemon flavor. It have the oils in the skin. Ooh. Listen. Now, you don't want to go down too deep because this white part, that's where it starts tasting bitter, starts tasting sour. You just want to go ahead and get that top layer. Just get the yellow up out of there. That's all. Scrape, 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 scrape. Ooh. Scrape, scrape, scrape. All right, y'all. You want about maybe 1 teaspoon or so of lemon zest. And that should do it. We can't have lemon pepper wet without lemon pepper, huh? Go ahead and sprinkle that in there right quick. Next, we're going to add just a splash of some avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you like. But yeah, we're going to splash bloop, a little avocado oil in here. Somehow, some way, I forgot to record the squeezing of a lemon. But make sure y'all add half a lemon to this lemon pepper wet. It's essential to take it to the next level. Essential. So we have some enoki mushrooms that I made earlier. You can click the link in my bio to check that out. We're going to coat these beautifully fried up mushrooms with this beautifully lemon pepper wet that we just created. Come on. Okay, without further ado, it's time to pour up. Ooh, it's time to pour up, love. Yes. Now we're going to plate those babies. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Just look. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Yes. We're going to go ahead and dust with some more lemon pepper. Add a couple more sprinkles on there. Get into these beauties. And we're also going to add just a little more lemon pepper wet. Because we need it wet, love. We need it wet, love. Ooh. Oh, my. Oh, my. I'm enjoying this myself. I'm watching it. And I'm just, wow. We absolutely cannot end this without garnishing correctly. Throw some parsley on top of that. And we out of here.